y'all? So little coffee walk time. I'm gonna try to get over here and see if I can't find the gasket for the carburetor. I want to say there was one on here because I didn't use the one when I stole the carburetor off of. What did I steal the carburetor? I don't even remember what the hell I stole that carburetor off of. See if there's one on here. If there's one, this sucker's probably is old. Ooh, little 400 small block in the Grinch. You see where I stopped at. I started wiring the MSD box and stopped. Let's see. Well, remember I had to move all those cars too to get to this sucker. There we go. There we go. Damn, that thing look old. Hey, I ain't gotta go to the stove. That thing's gonna work just perfect. It ain't gonna leak. Junkyard parts out. You already know that. Use what we got. Run what you brung. We're gonna get back on this one for y'all too. My son was just talking about it. I'm gonna dip that thing for the summer. Well, get your ass over here, boy. Stop playing. I put all the parts back on it and got it running. From you and Andres. Messed it up. And he was like, what? 13, 14, he took everything off the motor. Damn fool. Donked out. 71400 Impala thing. Gee, I need to get this thing in the shop. I keep BSing on it. I just gotta get it up there. Ain't nothing, I hook it to the little K truck it's running now. I want to wide body this thing bad. Not really wide body, but with its own parts. Just kind of bring the body out. I think if you brought the body out on this, it'd make that car cool. This one's cool though. I already did the disc brake conversion on it. Did the subframe, all the stuff to mount the power steering. Because all these ones right here, these suckers are unibody. And so on the front, it was always a problem putting a V8 in these. And get special oil pan, special headers for Chevy 2 in general, just Chevy 2 Nova, from 62 to probably 66, I think. Yeah, maybe 66. You still had to get the special headers and the oil pan for them to slap a V8 in them. But yep, we finna get it right now. See if we can't put this old carburetor on this my little rat rod. Let's see what it do. Damn, dog's always going crazy over there. Mr. Bobby next door. Ooh, that one too, man. I want to get in there. Or that one. That one. That one. Z06 in the cuts. What you doing over there?
Hey, now. I'm going to get a few little things done around here.
That's right.
It ain't looking half bad.
Hell no, looking damn good. Just need to light that thing on fire right there, that pile. Get your water hose ready.
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay, Trizzle. Yeah, got this thing up and striking too. She got the little Edelbrowski fill pump for it. Hooked her on up. Well, she running now. I gotta make a little video of I was driving back and forth, loading stuff up in the back. Yeah, let's get to this up. Damn camera thing, you gotta get used to, bro. Ooh, the Bridgestone. Y'all know about the GP100? Okay. There's the car. Got the old junkyard. Used parts to put on it. Watch out, doggy. Let's see see what we got here. I'll stick it. Put that stick so I can cut my damn arm off or something. Right. Little rat turds off in there. Yeah, right. Suck them suckers right on down. Whoop, whoop. Let's see. Guess it really don't matter which way the gasket goes. And that corner is ripped though. Yeah, right. Alright. And once I tighten that sucker down, it'll be cool. And get the old Edelbrodsky. Slap her on down. Woo, wah, 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 wah. There she go. Alright. So we're gonna need a plug for here. One of the mini plugs for this one. And that one. And the little right here. That little puppy. Goes right into there. So I'm gonna need that little nipple too.